reason I'm doing number 2 is because it's an x equals, and I want you guys to get used to seeing your x equals stuff so you don't freak out too much. So the A, if you go to the x equals formula sheet, the A is outside the parenthesis, and since there's no number outside this parenthesis down here, A is 1. Everybody understand that it's not 0? Do not put a 0 there. Now the H is the guy at the end of the equation, and you don't change that sign. So the, what did I put? Okay, so the A is 1. The H is this number over here, and you don't change the sign, so it's -4. Everybody understand that? And the K is the opposite of the guy inside the parenthesis, because we're on an x equals side of the formula sheet. So we're on the right side of the formula sheet. So what is K? K is +2. So now to find the vertex, the answer is HK, which is -4, 2. Everybody see that? And to find the focus, we write down the formula, and it's H plus 1/4A, K. Well, the H is -4 plus 1/4, 2, which is -3.752, I believe. Axis of symmetry is y equals k, and k is 2. Directrix, we've got to work that out over here, is x equals h minus 1/4a, which is x equals -4 minus 1/4, which is x equals -4.25. So that's an equation, x equals -4.25. And the lattice rectum is 1/a, absolute value, so it's a 1. Here we go. First you plot the vertex, which is -4, +2, which is right here. And I put a little V next to it so I can keep track of what's going on here. Then I plot the focus. Let me move that V because it's going to get in the way. When I plot the focus is going to be right inside here. And that's going to be my focus. Everybody see that?
So first is vertex.
Then I plot my axis of symmetry, and y equals 2 is a line. I'm going to use dotted lines that cuts the parabola in half. So I know that line is going to cut the parabola in half. Okay? So now we look at the directrix. The directrix is also a line, and it's x equals -4.25. It's right here. This is the directrix. This is the axis of symmetry. Now let's look at the lattice rectum. What we do is we take our focus. We go to our focus. And if you think of the lattice rectum as being like the axle on your car that connects the two tires, well, it's going to be kind of like the line that connects where the parabola is going to go. So since it's 1, we're going to do half up, half a box up, and half a box down, because that's a total of 1. So you see I go to the focus and draw half of the lattice rectum up, the other half down. And now all I do is I connect, oh, that's pretty. I connect the dots and I just kind of skim the lattice rectum. That tells you the width at the focus, okay? And I just draw it. So this equation is an x equals. And we know it's going to go left or right, because if you look at your right side of your formula sheet, the direction of the opening is a left and a right. We're not used to seeing left or right parabolas. So when you do your homework, I would do all my x equals first and know that you're on the right side of the formula sheet. Then do all your y equals and know that you're on the left side of the formula sheet. So you can stay kind of in focus of that. So left or right, how do I decide which way it goes? I knew it went right by looking at the equation. Because when you look at A right here, If A is positive, which it is, it goes to the right. If A is negative, it goes to the left. Just like on a y equals, if A is positive, it goes up, and if it's negative, it goes down. So once you're done, if A was a positive number, which it was, we know it should have turned right. If your parabola is not facing to the right, you've done something wrong. So you got to check what you did wrong, okay? You can kind of check yourself on these.